Hi guys, I'm here to give you your weekday forecast starting on Monday, January 22nd. So right now we're dealing with Winter Storm Jaxon, which is currently a low pressure system sitting over the central United States. So blizzard warnings right now for parts of northwestern Kansas, east central Colorado, Nebraska, northern portions of Iowa, and even southern portions of Minnesota. So these areas are seeing significant amount of snow, upwards of a foot in some areas, and severe wind and blowing snow conditions. So dangerous conditions for the central United States, and also some winter storm warnings and watches for the portions around these blizzard warnings. So this storm is going to be moving to the east, and I'll get into that in a little bit, talking about who's going to see snow, who's going to see rain, who's going to see mixed precipitation. So what will it feel like next week in terms of temperatures? This is valid at 1 a.m. on Monday morning. We're already seeing warmer temperatures in the 40s, 50s, these greens, these yellows, these oranges, where we saw the majority of the United States covered in the blues and purples that you see in the western, northwestern portions of the United States. So those were temperatures in the 20s and 30s and below. But now this week when you wake up, you're going to feel much warmer, especially for the southern portions of the United States. More in Florida, you're seeing temperatures in the 60s when you wake up, and later on in the day, this is 1 p.m., temperatures in the 70s and 80s, more of what we're used to, especially in Miami when we were waking up and feeling 40 degrees. So much warmer for the eastern portion of the United States, cooler temperatures in the western portion. You can see here this kind of track distinguishing between the warmer and the colder. That's where Winter Storm Jaxon is kind of hugging along. So to the west, northwest side, this Arctic air is coming down, bringing those cold temperatures. And so cold temperatures in the west for the beginning of your week, warmer temperatures in the east, but the cold temperatures as the Winter Storm Jaxon moves along to the east, those temperatures will eventually come for the northeast portion of the United States. Here is Winter Storm Jaxon at 7 a.m. Monday morning, sitting over the central United States. So like I talked about, to the west, northwest is where they're seeing snow. In South Dakota and also Nebraska, Kansas, all seeing some snow, waking up Monday morning. And to the east, southeast portion of the storm is where most of the rain, severe weather will be. There's some severe weather in Illinois forecasted for Monday morning. Missouri, Iowa, all down to Louisiana, all seeing possible rain, and that trend will continue into the later portions of next week. So as we get into Tuesday morning, to the northeast United States, upstate New York, New England, seeing some possible freezing rain and snow, and also places like Pennsylvania, West Virginia, down to the Carolinas, all seeing rain beginning your Tuesday morning. So those warm temperatures are bringing rain instead of snow this time. And as we get into later on Tuesday, again, some severe weather possible for New England, and lots of rain up and down the East Coast. So wet start to your beginning of your week. Things will dry out towards the end of the week. But there is, on the backside of the storm, there is, as that cold air, Arctic air that we saw moves in Wednesday and Thursday, there could be some lingering snow showers for the Northeast. So places like western Pennsylvania, Ohio, western New York, the Great Lakes area could see some lingering snow showers. So keep an eye out for that as those cooler temperatures move in. So wrapping up, basically cold in the west. The cold is coming from the west to the east later on in the week. Wet temperatures for the south. The northwest, northeast, seeing some snow possible. And I'll give you updates on my Instagram stories. So look in my profile for information on my Instagram and keep updated on Winter Storm Jaxon and anything else that's going on in terms of weather. Thank you and have a great week.